Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to export and import bookmarks in Google Chrome. I show you guys how to do it. First I show you guys how to export bookmarks in Chrome. Open up Chrome, click on the three dot icon and select bookmarks and lists and select bookmark manager. Select the three dot icon over here and select export bookmarks. Save it to the location you like. I'm gonna save it in desktop. Just select save option, and now the file has been saved. Now I show you guys how to import bookmarks in Chrome. You just need to open up Chrome and select the three dot icon and select bookmarks and list and select bookmark manager. Select the three dot icon over here and select import bookmarks. You just need to select the file we exported and select open option, and that's how you can export and import bookmarks in Google Chrome, as you can see. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.